Okay, first and before going to the topic, sixth unit, random variables and mathematical expectation. You have learned in lower classes, not the random variables deals with the probability statistics. Okay, S is a sample space of the random experiment. Random means among the it's not determined, right? Random. Apart from that collections, any selecting any one, that is your random. And the sample space means total number of outcomes, that is your sample space. E is your experiment consisting of tossing 3 coins. Suppose if you are taking 3 coins, okay, what are the possible outcomes? HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH and TTT. Here the random experiments, we will call this one as a random variable or x variable, right? This variable form, okay, this one numerical form. Here random variable of x values will be, you are going to write the term of values alone, getting the heads. How many heads are here? 3. The next is 2. The next is 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 0. So collecting only the values, that is that form of writing only the values is what the random real valued function, right? The random variable, it is a real valued function defined on the sample space S as taking the values from minus infinity to infinity, any numbers whose possible values or numerical outcomes. So the outcomes you are writing in the form of numbers. So that from the random experiment, outcome of the random experiments, your possible values or numerical values, outcomes. See, suppose x is a real numbers, all real numbers, small x is a real numbers, the set of all the outcomes in this S, such that this x belongs to this outcomes is a small x. We represent this W as outcome and the small x is in the form of values. Here W is your head, right? Getting head, where x is in the value form. How many heads are there? That is denoted by capital X is your Ex. In probability form, P of x. P of x is equals to x is that probability function having only the outcome W. Here W is what? The head. That x of head is equals to small x. Here suppose if x is less than or equal to a, between a to b, if you are taking any numbers, real numbers from a, suppose x less than or equal to a, the experiment is less than a, how will we define it? Probability function for this random variable, the probability function will be the numbers, real numbers that is belonging to the outcome W is x of W, that belonging to open interval minus infinity and closed interval a, that is a is included, and less than a, that is minus infinity open interval, that minus infinity is not included, in between a to minus infinity. And same way between a to b means a is not included, here b is included, since equal symbol is there. So we define this form of probability as in between numbers. How will you define? Probability of that outcome is x of outcome that belonging to a comma b, that is open interval a is not included, closed interval b, that b element is included, b number is included. Here in one dimension random variable, we denote it as x, y, z, etc. And the outcome of the experiment, we will denote it by w, that is omega. Thus b belonging to that x of omega, any element, any numbers, that 1 or 2 or 3, that is your b, right, belonging to the x of this omega, x of the outcomes. The outcome from the random variable 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here the values, for this one it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 3 coins are tossed, that random outcome will be, values will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The values x, y, z can be denoted in smaller cases also. X, y, z, when you write it inside the probability, you have to denote x as small x and then define the variable, outcome of the variable. So random variable, you are going to use a probability function. Here different types of random variable you are going to do it. That is two types. One is discrete random variable, another one is continuous random variable. So we will define each term separately and accordingly we'll do the sum.